Robot Olympiad, established in 2004 in Singapore, has evolved into a prestigious global platform inspiring young people in more than 90 countries to develop skills in robotics, coding, engineering, and problem solving. In Zimbabwe, we are proud to be part of this international family and even prouder of the progress we continue to make in advancing robotics education across all provinces. Allow me to begin by celebrating Zimbabwe's remarkable growth on the international stage. In 2024, we proudly sent one team to represent our nation at the international finals in Turkey. In 2025, that number increased fivefold, with 5 teams traveling to Singapore to compete among the world's finest young innovators. This impressive growth reflects the expanding reach of robotics education in Zimbabwe and the determination of our learners and educators to compete and succeed globally. Last season marked a historic milestone. For the first time, all 10 provinces of Zimbabwe reached through the World Robotic Olympiad program. Teachers from across the country were trained in ICT. Robotics ensuring that robotics education is not limited to urban centers, but accessible nationally. Through this initiative, over 4,500 educators and students have been capacitated with practical digital and robotic skills. This is not merely progress, it is national transformation in action. As the Ministry of ICT, Portal and Career Services, our mandate is to drive Zimbabwe's digital transformation and build an inclusive, innovative, driven economy. Under the National Development Strategy 2 and Vision 2030, the government of Zimbabwe has placed strong emphasis on digitization, industrialization, innovation, and